Greetings, everyone. My name is Chung and today I'm excited to present Smart Beach Improvement, a concept that reimagines refrigeration as an adaptive human-centered system rather than a legacy appliances with added software. Over the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you through the problem, identify the design decisions made, how the interface supports everyday use, and the measurable benefits expect in reducing food waste and energy consumption. By 2026, many smart fridges emphasize AI vision, but they still inherit rigid one-size-fits-all hardware. Despite these smart features, 30 to 40% of household food is waste because people lack clear inventory visibility and flexible storage. Our goal was to move beyond simply shoving software into old designs. We set out to create an adaptive hardware framework paired with an intuitive interface so the fridge can truly support how people shop, store, and consume food. We focus on three objectives. Can conceptualize a new design framework, explore future-facing smart features, and solve past design limitations that cause waste and friction. Our approach combined a physical redesign, a smarter sensing and AI logic, and a user interface built for clarity, accessibility, and offline resilience. We thought the fridge as a single integrated product rather than stacked mismatched parts. The top and base are designed as an all-in-one unit, and the middle compartment is a single integrated module, so the appliances rest as a cohesive object rather than separate piece. Glasses compartment as flow and display. The glass panel is exactly the same size as the screen, creating a clean and unified look. It functions both as a display surface and a floatboard, blending utility with aesthetics. We also kept the consistent dimensions across models so the design scales without losing visual balance or functionality. These choices reduce visual clutter, improve ergonomics, and make the fridge layout feel like more modern household hub rather than packaged appliances. As the core of our system is real-time inventory awareness, since the camera detects food brand, food type, and expiry date, brand detection prevents from the AI from confusing similar items and helps maintain accurate expiry tracking. And the systems can suggest The system can suggest or automatically adjust temperature zones based on detected food types to preserve freshness. Also, to address measurement and brand rigidity, users can manually edit item names, add brands, and customize measurement units. This keeps the AI accurate and gives user control. These features reduce false positives in inventory and make reminders and shopping suggestions more reliable. And let's talk about the Smart Fridge UI. The UI is designed for low friction and high clarity. Pres- President quick access to dashboard, my food shopping and settings from any screen. For the dashboard, it shows live energy draw, weekly consumption trends, and a parental eco mode toggle. It serves efficiency tips like reducing opening door reducing door opening or adjusting set points. And for the primary hub for queries, items display expectations with high context labels such as expired in red. The edit pencil show memo updates in English and Chinese, and the trash icon enables one-touch removal. And for the shopping list, it's a dynamic checklist tied to inventory. When an item is low or expired, it can be added to the list with one tap. Checkbox let user track pieces in real time while shopping. And there's a dual zoom temperature sliders provide exact set correction for fridge and freezer sliders, a high contrast screen against the dark UI for internal visual feedback. Haptic and audio toggles improve accessibility and confirmation during interaction. Also, offline kitchen notes work without internet or recipes and reminders back up to SD card and ensures inventory data remains private and accessible during outages. Firmware versions and storage health are visible so users can monitor appliances health and avoid surprises. Throughout the interface, we prioritize clearly accessibility, local control so the bridge remains useful even when the network is down. If it's for the our design targets two measurable outcomes. Firstly, reducing food waste by applying accurate detection at typical brand and unit data and a shopping list tied to actual store, users are less likely to overbuy and more likely to consume perishables before they expire. It, Also, we have improved energy efficiency. Ecomo is efficient and visible dual zoom precision, prevent overchilling. And the dark mode UI is optimized for LOLED to reduce UI power draw. Together, these features lower both operational and interaction and energy costs. In closing, this project reframes the smart fridge as a holistic system, adaptive hardware, intelligent sensing, and a human-centered interface working together to reduce waste, save energy, and simply kitchen life. So let's go to the project demo. As you can see, this is the 3D model I have generated. You can see this is the screen, and this is the fruit you can see inside, and also there's also another screen to show the wines and the information about the food. Also, for the apps, for you can see there's a dashboard that you have seen needs your attention, and you can save energy by using tap, and there's a reason here. Also, you can add Helium GS brand and banner name and expiry date and category and quality unit and the location. As you see, there's a unit and measure the what happened to them. Also, there's a camera that use fridge camera and you can analyze it with it and wait for a while. You can see analyzing and then you can see there's an analyzed and how fresh they are. Okay, another fridge and this and fridge analyzing and wait for a moment and you can see these items. Also, for the shopping list, you can see this type of to buy list. You can see there are some brand and the food and the shopping list. Last but not least, you can see settings. You have changed English or Chinese, and there's a large dash for elderly and any shaping mode which can save energy. And the notification you can stay. You should tell you to expire alert this ways before. Also for the camera private mode, and you can check the members. And for the For the Smart Fridge UI, you can see there's some tips for expansion for next 22 and 72 hours, and that's what so that you have to be aware soon. And there's an inventory. You can see different food and the expiry dates, and you can see just consume and you can just finish. Also, you can see the real-time power draw. You can track what happened, what was have used in this refrigerator, and you can you can turn on the mass mode, and you can see the maximize the refrigerator, and also eco mode. You can you can make it more optimized for energy saving, and you can see 7 day consumption trend, and there's some offline efficiency tips, and also there's some shopping list so that you can according to your almost AI to buy it. Last but not least, you can control temperature and the freezer temperature, and also the interaction settings, and you can save kitchen notes into the SD card and the system information. Last but not, and that's all for the presentation, and there are some reference for my app creating smart feature and 3D model. And that's all for the presentation. Thank you.